While others pay £300 yearly for forms, I paid once and own it forever. Hey there, if you're tired of subscription fees eating away your budget, click the link in the description for a special lifetime deal on Formly. What's Formly? Only the smartest way to create professional forms, surveys, and quizzes without breaking the bank. Let's be honest, most form builders are either too basic or ridiculously expensive. Formly gives you all the good stuff without the monthly heart attack when you see your credit card statement. You get unlimited forms with advanced logic, offline data collection, and payment processing. Plus, you can brand everything with your own logo and colors. No powered by nonsense in sight. Need to integrate with other apps? Formly connects with over 3,000 of them. That's more connections than your LinkedIn profile after a networking event. The best part? While Typeform users are shelling out £25 or more every month, you can own Formly forever, starting at just £99. That's about a quarter of what you'd pay for just 1 year of Typeform. Click the link below to grab your lifetime deal before it disappears faster than biscuits in a break room. Your future self and wallet will thank you.